Hello everyone. I received my DOTOOL air-powered 2-in-1 air nail stapler machine. Okay, and put some glasses on. That's the manual. That's what came with it. The carrying case here, hard case. Lubricant. I believe that's oil. Not sure. Have to read it. Safety goggles. Protect your eyes. And this would be brad nails. Okay. And staplers, crown staplers. That's what these are. And they came, broken. It's one package in there. And the air gun itself. All right. It's easy to operate. Only thing I need is an air compressor. Something I don't have. Okay. I know how to load it. The staplers. See? It's loaded right here. The staples. On this little thing here. Just like that. Just slide on there. And then you slide that close. Okay? Now, if you want to open it from here, and you want to switch it out to the nails, okay? Let's switch it out to the nails. I don't want to damage it. That's why I got to be careful what demonstration I do with it, because I don't know. I got to get an air compressor or borrow my son's air compressor because I want to put some hardwood floors in. And the nails. Put the nails in here. Okay? And just close it. And we're ready to go. Okay? And this here, the floor, the air, dust that comes out of here, you can keep it away from you if you like. And if you get jammed, you just pull this little piece up here, which hurt my hand. If I had a pair of gloves on, I can pull it up and show you how easy the release thing it is. That's what that is right there. And it's lightweight. It's lightweight, light enough for my hand. And it's just hitting it just like that. Okay? They do get jammed. All right. Now, this is good. This is a nice air gun here. Nail and stapler is 2-in-1. You can switch it over at any time to do your nails or your staplers. Okay. And remember, we're using crown stapler and brad nails. Okay. Carpenter, reupholstery, woodwork. I mean, it's a wide range of things that you can use this air gun on. And of course, you would need an air compressor too. Okay. Easy to operate, rugged and reliable. They're adjustable. You can adjust it. Okay. I didn't get the alley, I call it alley ranch, where you can make adjustments. Here too. in here, you know. I don't want to point it at myself. That's dangerous. But it has the silicone handler on it, which make the grip easy and non-slip, okay? And you can go ahead and do your job. You know, put some carpet on, some more carpet on the step, pull that carpet up and put some more carpet on there. I was hoping I wouldn't have to have an air compressor, but I will. I guess I invested because it's a lot of work need to be done around the house. But it's and let me tell you the price. You're not gonna believe it. It's $39.99. It's affordable. $39. I couldn't believe it. I got mine free through the program. But $39.99. That's a great deal. That is a super deal. Excuse me. Had some tacos, so you got to excuse me. But I am just amazed how easy it is to operate. And don't forget to wear your safety glasses. And if this review helped you, hit that button and let Amazon know that they review did help, because I showed you how to change it out with the from the staples to the nails. Okay, I don't have an air compressor, so I can't show you how to do that part, but you know, that's what that cap come off, and then you put that piece on there, and you turn the air compressor on, and then you go to work. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna talk later. All right. Go ahead and get you one. This makes a great gift. Yes. For beginners and advanced users. And I am a beginner. I never used a power air nail gun before. Seen plenty, had plenty of work done where I seen workers use them, but never used it myself. So I am excited. All right. So thanks a lot for viewing my review, and I will see you on the next review. Bye-bye for now.